If you need to find your Firefox profile folder in Windows, this quick method will take you right there in just a few seconds. Your Firefox profile folder stores important data like bookmarks, passwords, extensions, settings, and browser history, so knowing how to open it can be really useful for troubleshooting, backups, or moving your browser data to another computer. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens the Run window on your screen. The Run box is one of the fastest ways to open hidden folders in Windows without having to manually browse through multiple directories. Once the Run window appears, click inside the text field, then type or paste this path exactly as shown. %appdata /mozilla /firefox /profiles /. This path points directly to the location where Firefox stores user profile folders on Windows. After entering the path, click OK or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Windows will now open the folder that contains your Firefox profile directory. Inside, you'll usually see one or more folders with random looking names. That is completely normal. Each folder represents a Firefox profile, and the one you're using right now is the one Firefox loads for your current browser data. If you need to back up your profile, copy files, or troubleshoot Firefox issues, this is the folder you'll want to access. If the folder doesn't open right away, double check that the path was typed correctly and that you included the % at the beginning and end of AppData. You can also use this same method anytime you want to quickly return to your Firefox profile location in Windows. So, to recap, press Windows key +R, paste the Firefox profiles path, then press OK or Enter to open the folder instantly. That's how you find the Firefox profile folder in Windows. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like, subscribe, and come back for more simple how-to guides.